Chloe, baby, thank God, I've been looking for you, and I've been calling your phone, but no answer. Where were you? Why weren't you answering your phone? I was really worried. You left your brother's house, without a word. Are you okay? Why are you packed? Are you flying out, somewhere, luggage and all?
Jason, I just wanted you to know none of this is your fault. It's my fault. I have to go.
What do you mean, Chloe? You're not making any sense.
I can't do this anymore. I'm done with this relationship. It's not about you, okay? It's about me. I should have never started dating anyone. I'm not good for you, Jason. I'm damaged goods. I have to go.
No, baby, what the hell is going on? Please talk to me, Chloe.
It's over, Jason. We're done. This relationship is over.
Just like that? No, Chloe, what's this about? Your dad, whatever it is, Chloe, we can get through it together. But you need to talk to me, love.
It's not about my dad.
Then what is it, Chloe? You now realize I'm black. What is it?
This has nothing to do with you being black. I love you no matter what race you are. Look, Jason, I have a terrible past I'm not proud of. I'm so sorry about everything. It's not you, it's me. Goodbye, Jason.
Chloe, I don't care about your past. What, were you an assassin or a killer? I don't care. Even if you were a prostitute, I love you, Chloe.
It's nothing like that.
Then what is it, Chloe? Were you a man in the past life?
No, damn it, Jason, I have to go. I'm sorry, okay?
Then what is it, Chloe? I promise whatever it is, we can work it out together, love. But please don't leave.
I can't.
Chloe, stop, don't do this to me. I love you. Please, whatever it is, we can work it out together, love. Chloe. Hey Jason, my brother, how is it going? What the hell? What did you say to Chloe? You're living with my sister, happily married with children. Why do you have to mess with Chloe? Did you tell her to end our relationship? How could you? Why would I do that? Jason, Maria and I are happy for you and Chloe. I would never encourage Chloe to leave you or end your relationship. I believe you. I'm so sorry, Nicholas. Yeah, next time warn a brother, before you throw a punch, okay, man? Nicholas, nobody warns anybody when they're about to hit you. Yes they do, they at least make some kind of noises, you know, like ya or hiya. Nicholas, you watch too many Kung Fu Panda and all those karate shows. Nobody is going to say, hey dude, I'm about to hit you, look out. Whatever. Anyway, what happened with Chloe? I honestly don't know. Chloe left here quickly. I've been looking for her and calling her phone, she never picked up. Then when I reached home, only to see Chloe package up her suitcase and said it's over between us. And that it's all her fault, and that she has a bad past, that she's not proud of. I told her I don't care about her past, I love her, but she still left. I'm really confused, Nicholas. What happened with you and Chloe? Chloe and I was talking about the situation with Dad, and then I realized the whole mystery behind Dad's racist act. It all has to do with what happened to Chloe. Nicholas, what happened to Chloe? Please tell me. I'm truly sorry, Jason, but Chloe needs to tell you herself. That's what I told her, and she got really upset and ran off. Nicholas, please tell me something. I can't find Chloe. She's not answering her phone. She didn't go at the airport. Please help me, Nicholas. All I can tell you is that there was an incident that happened years ago to Chloe. It was really terrible and traumatizing to Chloe. The physical scars fade away with time, but the emotional scars still exist. I'm Chloe's and she still never told me anything. All I have to go on is from the police and doctor's report. Chloe never ever had a relationship before you, Jason. Chloe is still a virgin. That's what the doctor said. Chloe even told me that she never thought she could love anyone until she met you. She feels completely with you, and normal. She said she loves you so much. Nicholas, we need to find Chloe. I'm really worried about her. Yes, let's go. I may know a few places she might be hiding out. Any luck? I checked all the hotels and all the restaurants around here, but nothing. I checked all the buses and asked anyone if they saw her, but nothing. It's as if she just vanished without a trace. Keep faith, Jason. Don't worry, we will find Chloe. Now I'm really worried about Chloe. I hope she doesn't do anything foolish. What do you mean by that, Nicholas? Is there something you're not telling me? Okay, Chloe tried to kill herself the last time. This isn't the first time. She ran away after the incident. A few weeks into recovery, Chloe tried to commit suicide. We stopped her just in time. What the hell, Nicholas, why didn't you tell me? I'm sorry, I just didn't want you to panic, but now I'm really worried about her. We have to find her. Think, Nicholas, where else would Chloe go? I don't know. I've called everyone, and I've checked everywhere. I don't know, Jason. I can't and I won't lose Chloe, I love her so much. I feel the same way, Chloe's all I've got, I love her so much. Oh, I think I have an idea where she might be, come on, let's go to the park. She's nowhere to be found. There she is. You go, I'll wait in the car, call me if you need me to help. I will, go. Chloe, thank God.
Jason, please just leave me alone.
Chloe, I've been worried, sick about you, your brother and Maria, they are also worried, about you, because, we all love you very much and care about you. Please Chloe, talk to me. Chloe, you can't run all your life, whatever it is we can work it out together, you're not alone love, I'm not leaving you ever Chloe, I love you too much baby.
Okay, I'll tell you, record me on your phone, so I would never, how to repeat this to Nicholas, I'm tired of running.
Okay, it's on.
A few years ago, I was finally finished with my art major course. I was so happy and was celebrating with my colleagues. I didn't have too many drinks because I had to drive. Upon reaching my car, I was alone. I heard strange noises coming from the nearby bushes. I started to get a bit scared. I fumbled to get the key in the car door lock. Just as I'm about to enter, someone grabbed me and blocked my mouth. I know it was a man, because then he whispered, "Where are you going, honey, in such a hurry? We want to have a little fun. Before you go." I froze, especially when I saw 4 other men making their way towards me. I tried to struggle and get free, but I failed.
It's okay Chloe, I'm right here, you're safe, please go on.
They grabbed me and dragged me into the bushes, and then they started forcing me to kiss them and play with my female parts and slapping me, and punching me, and kicking me. They didn't rape me, but they sexually assaulted me, and beat me close to death. They thought I was dead, because I blacked out, and I was barely breathing. So they dumped my body in a nearby dumpster, and drove off. I almost died in the hospital, and after spending 3 months, I had many correctional surgery. Then I was visited by the detective. I identify the attackers, 2 black men and 3 white men. They catch 4 men out of 5, one of the white guy got away. A few months after the incident, I got a call, warning me never to expose his identity or he will find me and killed me.
You knows, the guy who got away, Chloe.
Please Jason, just let it go, I don't want any trouble. Please.
Thank you for telling me Chloe, I know it wasn't easy, but you're braver than you think, and you're a very strong woman, I'm so very proud of you Chloe.
I felt so ashamed and so dirty, for years and afraid, and it was really hard trusting people. I buried myself in my work, and lock everyone out. I tried pushing you away, but you won't leave me alone.
Baby, I'll never leave you alone, I love you so much. And Chloe, you have absolutely nothing to be ashamed of.
I love you too Jason.